Starting in 2022, Alaskans are voting in new ways. In August's primary and special general election, we'll be using both of the new voting methods. For state and federal elections, we will now have a nonpartisan primary to choose which candidates move on to the general election, and ranked choice voting in the general election. The nonpartisan primary lets you choose one candidate, regardless of their political party, to move on to the general election. Ranked choice voting lets you rank the candidates in order of preference instead of voting for just one candidate. Want to give it a try? Download a sample ballot from the Division of Elections website at the link in the description and follow along. In a nonpartisan primary, all the candidates for a particular race are on the ballot. You must choose only one candidate who you think should move on to the general election. Fill in the oval to the right of your choice using a blue or black ink pen. Do this for each race on the ballot. Choose just one candidate in each race by filling in the oval to the right of that candidate. You will also have a ballot for the special general election, where you'll be using ranked choice voting. The top candidates that people chose in the special primary election will appear on this ballot for you to rank. Make sure you have your blue or black ink pen again and get ready to vote. For the candidate you most want to win, fill in the oval in the first choice column. For your second choice, fill in the second choice column. And for your third and fourth choices, do the same. You can rank as many or as few as you like. You don't have to rank everyone or cast a vote for someone you don't like. To make sure your ballot is properly counted, don't select the same candidate more than once, skip a ranking, or select more than one candidate in the same ranking. And remember, you have options. In the August election, you can vote on election day at your poll, early in person, or absentee by mail, by fax, or by online delivery. Visit elections.alaska.gov for more information on your polling place, early voting, or about how and when to request an absentee ballot. If you're a person with a disability who has questions about your voting rights, you can contact the Disability Law Center of Alaska at 1-800-478-1234 or visit our website at dlcak.org.